Stop microwaving your burritos. I promise there's a better way. All you need is an air fryer, a fork, and 10 minutes of your time. I know what you're thinking. I ordered because I don't want to cook. Don't worry, you're not cooking, you're reheating. And this 10-minute burrito hack is going to take your Chipotle, Taco Bell, Qdoba burrito from edible to extra excellent. It's worth the 10 extra minutes, I promise. First, preheat your air fryer to 390 degrees. Depending on your air fryer, like this Ninja air fryer I'm using, to preheat, you just need to add a few extra minutes. So I'm setting mine at 12 minutes. Next, take your fork and poke some holes in the burrito on both sides all around. Today I'm having a Chipotle burrito with light cheese, but the holes will let enough heat in so that the cheese will melt and spread perfectly throughout my burrito. Place the burrito seam side down in the basket so that it doesn't fall apart. The top will start to brown first, just lightly, which is exactly what you want on the edge of your burrito. After 5 minutes, pause your air fryer and flip your burrito over, seam side up. The burrito shouldn't be crunchy crispy on top, just lightly toasted. Continue to cook for another 5 minutes, then remove from heat. I like to cut into my burrito and watch the hot steam come out. If you're like me, you like to eat your food piping hot, and it just never seems to arrive hot enough when you order it from somewhere else. It's worth noting that I intentionally do not get salsa inside my burrito because I know I'm going to use my air fryer hack to reheat it. If you're heating your burrito with lots of cheese or sauce inside, you can loosely wrap it in foil for the first few minutes, then remove the foil at the end to crisp it up. After mine's done cooking, I love to slather it up with hot sauce and take a nice hot bite. That's it. Crispy outside, nice and warm inside. Perfect burrito every single time. If you liked my burrito hack and this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you have a hot burrito hack, we want to hear it. Tell us in the comments below.